going to shop for products, natural hair products. I'm on my way to the market right now and it's beautifully sunny and this is my first vlog and so I'm really happy about this. So let's go to the market together. Yeah, I'm literally approaching the road. Like I said, I'm using public transport, so almost approaching the road. Okay guys, I'm on the road already. Like this is the road is still under construction. This is Zaria. So I've reached the road. I'm literally using public transport, so this is the journey so far from my house to the road. So as you can, okay, I'm in the keke right now. So this is going on a road trip. Going on a road trip. So we get to the market and I went to the local market to shop my natural hair products point. So usually we're going to the first market, so I'll switch the camera now so I can see how the market looks from the entrance. So basically that's it. After you guys are so I'm literally dropping. So this is the entrance of the market. Like bikes everywhere. Yeah, we're in the market. So this is Samaru Ultra Model Market. So welcome to Samaru Market, the new innovated market. So this is what the market is, and we'll soon reach the shops and start shopping. So already I'm so tired already, so, and I haven't even started the whole shopping stuff. So guys, this is the first shop I'm entering and a whole lot of products without the shop. So let's see what we can get here for natural hair products because the shop is mixed perfume, body cream, hair and the rest of stuff. Okay, this is the hair product side for natural hair. I used this and finally I getting it again. Like this product is very nice. So we have other products here like hair mayonnaise. This is it. This literally mayonnaise and keep your hair more moisturized, and literally I usually read through all the ingredients before I buy any product, but I'm literally not familiar with this product, so I'm not going for it. This is soulmate and eco gel, soulmate and the rest. So I'll be going for the product I'm used to, so I'm going to buy this one. Oh, finally I found it. So I'm getting this product. I used it and I love the outcome of my hair. Like it also serves as hot oil cream treatment. You can also use it like the hot oil we usually use. So I use this product and I fell in love with it, and I've been looking for it. I didn't get it. So finally I'm here. This shops it with this deep conditioner from Mega Growth. I didn't like the outcome for the hair, so I'm usually not getting it again. So let's look for shampoo
and conditioner. So there are other amazing products that you can literally try out, like organic blue magic. You can there's a lot to buy, there's a lot to buy. Okay, I actually saw this and I wanted to just show you guys because I used this when I was having enough, like I was having dry scalp and dandruff. So it controls dandruff, scalp smoothing and cooling, deep cleaning and all this. I used this product and I loved it. Like it's so good. And this is the conditioner. I'm literally not here to buy these. I actually have what I want in mind. So this is the conditioner. It's also for dandruff and also for cooling. If you're having issues with your scalp, like you're having dandruff and also a lot of your scalp usually pains you, you can use this. Like this really helped me to improve my scalp and reduce dandruff on my hair. So I really love this product. I've used it before, so this is one of the products I've used for my hair and I love it. I love it. So don't forget to always read the ingredients and check whether it resonates with what you that works for your hair. So guys, I just asked for Cantu products in this shop because that's what I was looking for. I didn't get the Cantu product. So I'm going to check another shop, but I'm literally buying this from this shop. So I feel like I might not go to the second market today. Like I'm so glad I got what I want from the first market, which is Samaru market. So I'm really happy. I'm buying this definitely. I'm not letting this go. My heart. I just like how the shop owner is literally explaining this product. This product is really amazing. So I'm literally paying for it. It costs 1.5, very cheap, like so cheap. And the product is good. I've used it, so my hair stopped breaking immediately. I used this, and it moisturized my hair perfectly well. So I'm going to use it to steam my hair. So this product is one out of a town. This another product, like it's almost the same to with this, but this is like the honey version. It you can use it to steam your hair basically. So I think it's still 1.5, making it like $3, I guess. Yeah, $3, less than $3, sha. But this product, I really love this all these hair steaming products. Hair max, professional, bright and moist for hair. So if you're having dry hair, your hair is not moist, I guess you should buy any of these products or the olive of it. So you can buy the olive jar. So literally I've gotten one of what I want. So I'm not literally going, and I'm not here for body cream and the rest. So eco gel and okay. Now, CCB, I use the shampoo and conditioner. I'm literally this kind of person that don't usually have one hair product. Indian hair food cream with castor oil. So literally, I feel like to get this one because I've used the leave-in conditioner of TCB Naturals and I love it. Like I really love it. The scent and everything was so amazing, and my hair was really growing. So I'm trying. I'll figure out what, like how much is this and I'm going to buy it because I'm now using Soulmate as my hair cream. So literally I will just change it and try CCB. So it's not bad to literally try different products because I've tried different products, so and I'm familiar with CCB products, so I'm literally going to get one of these also. So I'm still in that shop. So I this is another oil. I don't really know, for hair oil, honey, moist and glossy. So as you can see, please read with me. So damage hair and this. So I literally prefer using coconut oil. I don't like using foreign oil for my natural hair. So I'm literally, I think I wanted to like Cantu products here is literally so expensive. So I'm not getting Cantu products anymore. So I'll just do with what I got. So voila. This is the TCB natural food for this, for people that usually relax their hair, but I don't relax my hair. I stop relaxing my hair in necessary. So I won't literally get the relax part of this. They also have their spray, their hair spray too. So If you are looking for any natural hair products, you can use TCB. I literally used it when I was in Kaduna and I love the leave-in conditioner. So I didn't get the leave-in conditioner for TCB natural, so I'll do with what I have now. Well, I went back to mixing products for my hair. So I wanted to just shop for Cantu, but Cantu product here is very expensive. So I literally decided to do what I usually do, mix different products for my hair. Like I said earlier, I use this and it's literally helped my hair. And this TCB, I use their conditioner and cannot be overemphasized. So this is literally what I bought from this local store here in Zaria. Blah 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 blah. So I just finished shopping and I'm leaving the bucket. Like leaving the bucket now. I didn't actually have anybody to help me vlog or shoot this video, but I did it by myself. So I'm leaving the market like super now, and I'm in love with what I bought. So let's go and do some reviews from the product I bought. So guys, bye. Like I said, I actually love the products I bought in the market. Like this is the local market, local stores, and this is Zaria for you. And some of the products I'm used to are way too expensive, so I had to improvise and go back to the old products I usually use. So this is me going back home and I'm literally tired already. So I wanted to go to two markets, but actually got what I want in this first market. So that will be another vlog for another day. So this is the first market. I hope you guys love the look. They just renovated the market, so it's still fine, small. So literally, we are F the market. So this is me. This is me here about to go home. And today market was productive. I didn't really waste time because I actually saw products I was used to, so I literally just grabbed them. Like super grabbed them. So I will do the reviews for all the products I got to the local market I went to and get back to you guys. So see you at home. Guys, so I've reached my house. So guys, I just reached home. I just reached home. I'm home. I'm home, guys. Like I just reached home and from the whole stress of buying stuff. So this is me. This is my house. And thank you, guys. So we'll do the review for the clinical for the product we bought today, and I'll get back to you guys. So bye.